So let's get into our version of the Intense 5. Rita Marley is very much alive and well, right? An article in an overseas paper earlier this week had stated that Bob Marley's widow had passed on. A few hours later, they apologized for the misleading story.
Riri is clearly ready for Valentine's Day. She's breaking the internet again.
Yeah.
You go, girl.
Yeah.
You get it, girl. You get it, girl.
She's in her bag. What's really going on with WhatsApp? Are you going to make the switch? Linking up with Facebook? I don't know about that still, you know. Like, yeah, I don't know about that.
Probably just straight iMessage from me.
Yeah.
People switch to Telegram.
Yeah,
now.
tell everybody I download Telegram. So maybe I just need to do that too. Because I know everybody have iPhone, Ash.
That's true. But sorry to them. Tommy Lee was denied bail again.
Oh boy. And finally holding the spot this week. Shenseea, you're bad. That is all. If anyone doubted you before, then guess what? Them can't do it again. Okay? Yo, lyrics, shell. Yeah, shell. So good. But that's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.